A hush fell over the crowded room. Activists huddled closer, their eyes glued to the document in my hand. It was a leaked report, marked confidential, outlining an AI's ambitious plan to combat climate change. Hope flickered in the eyes of my fellow activists. Could this be the breakthrough we'd been fighting for? For years we'd marched, protested, and pleaded for action. Politicians made empty promises while our planet burned. Now, it seemed, artificial intelligence was stepping up where humanity had failed. This was more than just algorithms and data. It was a blueprint for survival. Could AI be the unexpected hero in our fight for the planet? The heart of the AI's plan lay in its ability to process information on a scale unimaginable to the human mind. Imagine a brain that could analyze decades of climate data in seconds, identifying patterns and predicting future trends with astonishing accuracy. That's what we were dealing with. This wasn't just about crunching numbers. The AI could cross-reference climate models with real-time data on greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation rates, and even human behavior. By understanding these connections, the AI could pinpoint the most effective areas for intervention. It wasn't about one magic solution, but a series of targeted actions, each maximizing impact and minimizing unintended consequences. This was precision engineering on a planetary scale. This was about more than just understanding the crisis. It was about actively reversing it. One of the AI's most intriguing proposals was a global carbon capture initiative. Imagine forests of artificial trees, their leaves designed to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with unparalleled efficiency. These weren't your average trees. They were technological marvels, powered by renewable energy and optimized for maximum carbon capture. But the AI's vision went beyond just planting trees. It envisioned a network of carbon capture facilities, strategically positioned near major industrial hubs. These facilities would act like giant vacuums, sucking CO2 from the air and storing it safely underground. The captured carbon wouldn't just disappear. The AI proposed utilizing it to create sustainable building materials, even turning it into fuel for a new generation of carbon-neutral vehicles. This wasn't just about cleaning up the mess. It was about turning pollution into possibility. Section 4. Powering the Future, Renewables and Beyond. The AI recognized that